Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine at doing studies at your homes, है ना? Yes, so well done. Always do good is in your life. Okay? See, dear students, what is the main important motto of your life? What is the main aim of your life? Right now you all are children. Right now you all are children. And what is the main motto of your life? The main motto of your life is learning. Yes, the main motto of your life is learning. Every time, everywhere, where, in every condition, don't go on lazy mode, है ना? Don't go on lazy mode. आलस नहीं करना है. Don't be a lazy. Don't be a couch potato. What is the mean by couch potato? Have you heard this word couch potato? Yes, couch potato means what? जो बच्चे दिन भर सोफे पर बैठे रहते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं और बस कुछ ना कुछ खाते रहते हैं. That they are the couch potatoes. So we don't want to be like that. हमें वैसा नहीं बनना है. We teachers wanted you that you all are be a very smart student. Get the height, get the reach the heights of the sky. है ना? हम सबको जीवन में लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा करना है, बहुत आगे बढ़ना है. So always keep yourself on learning mode. Always keep yourself on learning mode, है ना? Don't divert your mind here and there. No, just focus on your aim. Just focus on your aim, your motto. What you want to be in your future. What you want to be in your future. आप क्या बनना चाहते हो, है ना? जो भी आप बनना चाहते हो, whatever you want to be in your, whatever you want to be in future, that you have to decide. But for that you have to do study. But for that you have to do study, है ना? So this was my little request, you can say, or this is my advice to you. Please keep study. Always be on learning mode, है ना? Don't be a lazy boy or a lazy girl. Always do your work on time. ठीक है? Okay. I am hoping that you all are very pretty and very smart students of class 3. So you always do your work on time. Okay? And always keep yourself on learning mode. Okay? So this is my little request to you, because right now we are not interacting directly in the classroom. See, I am giving my lectures in empty classroom. We teachers, you missing over here in the classroom, है ना? So one more thing before the start studies, I want to appreciate that Atharv is in class 3rd Emerald, and I want to appreciate personally that boy Atharv and Sharvil, because they always doing their work on time. They are watching the videos regularly, and within a 1 or 2 hour they are sending the quick response. Within 1 and 2 hours they are sending the quick response. And Atharv is a new student for this school. Atharv is a new friend of among you. Atharv is a new student of class 3A, है ना? So this clap is for Atharv only. Okay? So now start the study time. Okay? Yes, chapter 3 addresses is going on very nicely, and you all are sending me your replies very nicely. I am very happy, and I am very excited also, because if you will give me the proper response, then I can make you improve. If if you will give me the proper response, so I can make you improve. I can do some new practicals. I can give you little tough task, है ना? So if you will not give me the response, what I can understand, how I come to know कि आपको कितना समझ आ रहा है, कितना समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. For that, it is very much necessary to send your replies regularly. Okay, and that's why I am appreciating you all are in the WhatsApp groups, so every teacher can see your work and he or she can appreciate you, है ना? So you get the motivation. How nicely that Atharva, how nicely that Sharvil is doing, same as like or better than them we can do, है ना? So please send me your replies whenever you will watch the videos. Please send the replies so teachers can understand, yes, my students are very smart, they are very very intelligent, they are taking lots of interest in the studies. So it is good for you, it is good for you, and it is good for me also. If you will do your work nicely, if you will maintain your notebook nicely, then I can give you more work, because I am that time I have confidence. No, मेरे सारे बच्चे, my all the students will do definitely this work very nicely, है ना? मुझको ये विश्वास हो जाएगा कि नहीं यार मेरे सारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, और डेफिनेटली जो भी काम मैं दे रही हूँ, वॉट एवर वर्क आई एम गिविंग यू, डेफिनेटली यू ऑल विल डू वेरी प्रॉपरली, वेरी परफेक्टली. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द लिटिल कन्वर्सेशन विच यूजुअली वी आर डूइंग इन द क्लासरूम ऑल्सो, है ना? बिकॉज विदाउट दिस लिटिल कन्वर्सेशन वी कांट स्टार्ट द स्टडीज. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन with chapter number 3, our dresses. We already learnt many things about the dresses. I already spoke much of our dresses, our tradition and all these things. But always recap is the most important part of the study. Whatever we have done, see dear students, when you will come regularly to school, that time you have all 4 subjects regular period. That time you have all the 4 subjects regular period, and you are learning all these 4 things in the English, Maths and EVS, or you can Science. We always learning these 4 subject regularly. Okay, but here you are getting your periods 3 times in a week. Okay, you are getting the 3 videos of EVS in a week, you are getting the 3 maths videos in a week, you are getting the 3 English videos in a week, you are getting the 3 Hindi videos in a week. So it means what? It means you are getting only 3 time videos. It means you are getting 3 period only in the week, है ना? So that's why we teachers try to recap all these things. Okay, so once again a jhatpat recap, a quick recap whatever we learnt in our previous lectures. Okay, today we will discuss only the last paragraph, the special dresses, this one only. Okay, yes, a small summary of the chapter, yes, definitely we all need clothes, because we human being have 3 basic needs. First one is food, second one is shelter, home, house, and third one is clothes, है ना? So food we learnt already. About food we learnt already in our previous chapter. Now it's time to learn about the dresses. Okay, see, dresses is very much required to cover our body from all the season, from all the weathers, and from the insect bites. Okay, and pupil are wearing the different type of clothes according to their traditional, according to their climate, according to their state, according to their region, according to their riti and rivas, tradition and customs. Okay, yes, and our dress dressing habits is as like same our food habits. See, if we all are living in India, but India has the different states, and the different states following the different cultures, they following the different tradition, they follow the different food habits, as like that they follow the different cloth habit also. Okay, understood. India is a very big country and there are lots of states. Every state follow its own reason, every state follow its own tradition, every state follow its own customs, है ना. Every state follow its own food habit, as like that every state follow its own dressing habits too. Okay. Then we learnt about dresses of women. Yes, which dress is very much famous for women in India? What is that? Yes, it is sari. Yes, sari is a famous dress in India for women. Sari is a famous dress in India for women. Okay. Yes, then we will learn some name about the women outfit, about the women clothes according to their states. According to their states, like Punjabi women are wearing the salwar kameez with dupatta, है ना. Then the घाघरा कुर्ता with ओढ़नी in Haryana. Then घाघरा चोली in Uttar Pradesh. घाघरा blouse with ओढ़नी in Rajasthan. लहंगा चोली with ओढ़नी in Gujarat. And mandu blouse in Kerala. So there are many dresses according to their climate, according to their states, according to their tradition, according to their custom. Okay. Yes, then we learnt about what? We learnt about the western outfits. See, your mama always not wearing the sari. Sometimes she worn the salwar kurta, sometimes she worn the jeans and t-shirt and a carefree and evening gown also. So it's depend on the condition. Okay, if you will go for roaming out of the town, then definitely mama will wear the jeans or t-shirt or jeans or top or salwar kameez, है ना. If your mama will go in any party, then definitely she will wear what if she will go in a birthday party, then definitely if she has, then she can wear the evening gown. Okay, the long evening gown, है ना. And then when she will go in a marriage, then definitely she will wear a nice pretty sari, है ना. So it's depend on the condition. See, then we learnt about the dresses of man. Yes, there are lots of dresses the men are wearing. Okay, the names of the dresses are dhoti kurta, pajama, dhoti kurta and lungi, shirt and lungi, chudidar pajama with fancy kurta, है ना, and achkan also. But we are not wearing all these outfit, all these attires, है ना. If your papa will go to office, then definitely he will use the formal dress. He will wear the plain shirt and the trouser with tie, है ना. Then we learnt about these names of the outfit which is famous in their states. Okay. Then we learnt about the West Bengali dresses, then Kashmiri, then Punjab and the Rajasthani. Okay. Among these dresses, we want to discuss about the Kashmiri people. Yes, all the men and women of Kashmir, they are wearing long loose coat is called fehran. Yes, है ना. What is called? It is called fehran. Fehran is very much protect their body for what? For winter, for the climate of the Kashmir. Okay, then we learnt about the headwears. Yes, headwears are very famous in India. Maximum men are wearing the headwear. Okay, Like Punjabi people, they are always tying the pagdi on their head, and the Rajasthani, yes, Rajasthani men always wearing the colorful pagdi on their hands. Then people, those who are living in Gujarat, they are following the Gandhi cap. Why they are following the Gandhi cap? Because Gandhi ji born in Gujarat. Gandhi ji born in Gujarat, and people, those who are living in Gujarat, they are very what we can say, they are follow Mahatma Gandhi. They are follow the footstep of the Mahatma Gandhi, है ना? As like that, they are wearing the Gandhi topi. And Himachal Pradesh, yes, in Himachal Pradesh there is a very famous woolen cap. It is very famous for the embroidery, है ना? Embroidery, the design, this type of embroidery work, it is very famous in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Yes, then we learnt about the tribes of the Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, है ना? They tribes always follow their tradition. Tribes always follow their custom. When they were early man, that time they used long leaves to cover their bodies, है ना? When they were the early men, they used the long leaves to cover their body. And it's time to see, जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता गया, they start wearing the skin of the animals. They use the fur of the animals, है ना? They used the lion skin, deer skin, bear skin, है ना? For what? To protect their bodies. And they start wearing the headwear also. And they always keep the bhala is in their hands. Why? Because they are living in jungle and they want to protect themselves for the animals. See, wild animals are living in the jungle, so they want to protect themselves for the wild animal. That's why they are using their bhalas and dhanush band for hunting purpose also, for protection purpose also. Both the purpose also, है ना? Why they are keeping this equipment is in their hands? Because they wants to hunt. पहले तो वो शिकार करते हैं. Because that food they hunt ना, जो शिकार करके जो खाना कलेक्ट करते हैं, they are eating that food, है ना? And they want to protect themselves also from the wild animals, because all the dangerous wild animals are living in the jungle. They are living in the forest, है ना? That's why we are calling them the wild animals. They can't live with us because they are very dangerous. They can eat up, है ना? They can eat up. So it is very much necessary to protect ourselves. It is very much necessary to get that food. So that's why the tribes are keeping the equipments within all his hands. Okay. Then we learnt about the special dresses. Yes, people, those who are doing these special jobs, they are wearing these special type of clothes, which clothes we called the uniform. People, those who are doing these special jobs, they are belongs to from a special field like doctor, soldier, lawyer, and nurse, ward boy, policeman, fireman, astronaut, dancer. They always wear the special clothes. For that special clothes, we common man can identify them very nicely. We common people can identify the particular man or woman. Yes, if we will see a policeman, how we can identify? If a man worn a normal cloth, if a man worn a normal cloth, as like your father, he worn a shirt and the trouser, so how you can identify he is a policeman, है ना? If a woman wearing the sari as like me, which I worn now, so how you can identify she is a police woman? How you can identify? Because they are not in the uniform. So if they will wear the uniform, yes, you can identify them very nicely. Yes, they are belongs from the police department. That's why they worn this type of uniform. which is called वर्दी, पुलिस वर्दी in हिंदी, है ना. So if some pupils always wearing the some special dresses which we called the uniform, okay. So uniform shows what? Uniform हमें क्या बताता है? What tells the uniform to us? Uniform makes the similarity, equality. Uniform हमको similar और एक जैसा बताता है. When you will come to school, that time you will see, yes, suppose you're coming in the class, that time what you will see, yes, all the boys are wearing the same shirt as like me, yes, all the boys are wearing the same type of trousers as like me, yes. If a girl will come inside, then what she will see first, yes, all my friends, all the girls are wearing same shirt as like me, all the girls are wearing same skirts as like me, all the girls are making 2 plates as like me, all the boys have these small hairs as like me. So it shows what? It shows the similarity, it shows the equality. ये बताता है कि we all are equal, as like you, we teachers are also wearing the uniform. It shows what? It shows similarity among us. ये हम सब में सिमिलैरिटी बताती है. यस, वी आर द टीचर्स, वी आर इक्वल, कोई ना बड़ा ना कोई छोटा, एवरीवन इज इक्वल. सो यूनिफॉर्म, व्हेन वी सी, we can identify 3 things by wearing the uniforms. First one is what? First one, we can identify the job, the field of that particular man or woman, है ना. By uniform we can identify first thing what? First thing is that we can identify the men of that field, we can identify the field of that man, we can identify the field of that woman, है ना. I will give you an example. See, if you can see a soldier, how you can identify he is a soldier? If he worn a casual dress like jeans and t-shirt, then how can you identify? Can you recognize? No way, you can't recognize, because that time that man is looking very simple, that man is looking common man, वो हम सब में हम जैसा ही एक व्यक्ति है. So we can't identify he is a soldier. But if he worn that soldier dress, you can identify very nicely. Yes, oh my God, he is a soldier. And what you will do, that time you will have the lots of respect is in your mind, is in your heart for that man. Why? Because he belongs to army. And army is what? What the army is doing? Army is protecting us. Army is protecting our nation from the enemies. Army is protect our nation. वो हमारे देश की रक्षा करते हैं. They are protecting our nation for the enemies. जो हमारे दूसरे देश के दुश्मन हैं, उनसे हमें बचाते हैं. अपनी जान की परवाह ना करते हुए ये हमें उन सब एनिमीज से बचाते हैं, है ना. राइट नाउ यू मच hearing about the China. Yes, right now the country China is not in our favor. He is behaving like our enemy, है ना. And Pakistan also behaving like the enemy. So they are not our friends, they are as like our enemies, है ना. So if you can see a policeman, you can identify, yes, he is a policeman, he is a policewoman. And police do what? Police maintain the law and order. Right now you have seen during the lockdown period के समय आपने देखा what did the police do? पुलिस ने क्या किया? पुलिस ने लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को, जो भी ऑर्डर उन्हें गवर्नमेंट की साइड से मिले, उनको इक्वालिटी के साथ, सिमिलैरिटी के साथ पूरे टाउन में, पूरी कंट्री में, पूरे स्टेट में फॉलो करवाया. Suppose if you will go out during the lockdown, what policeman told you? No, you can't come out during the lockdown. This is a crucial period. You have to go back to your home. Always wear the mask, है ना. Keep sanitizer is in your bag. Wash your hands regularly. So what did they do during the lockdown? What did the policemen do during the lockdown? They maintain the law and order. They maintain the law and order, है ना. So yes, so uniform shows the field of that particular person, or then you can identify, yes, he is a policeman, he is a pilot, he is an astronaut, he is a dancer, she is a dancer, है ना. Then children also wearing the uniform. Why? ऐसा क्यों होता है? बच्चों को यूनिफॉर्म पहनाना क्यों जरूरी है? कभी ये क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आई है बात कि why we are wearing the uniform? Because uniform shows the similarity. सब एक जैसा है. Suppose if your friend is not belongs from a good background, then what? हाँ? Then what? तो क्या होगा फिर? But you will wear the good dresses. You will wear the you have wonderful collection of the outfits. You have wonderful collection of your attires. You have lots of jeans, lots of t-shirts, lots of jackets, but your friend don't have, then she or he will not feel good. यार मेरे पास तो इतना सारा ड्रेसेस नहीं है, इतना अच्छा ड्रेसेस नहीं है, बट मेरे फ्रेंड के पास है. So he or she feel bad inside the heart. That's why we schools are following the uniform. इसलिए हम schools में भी uniform पहनते हैं, because uniform shows the similarity, uniform shows the equality. Okay, yes, now we will discuss about this last special dresses. Yes, I will show you this paragraph in front of the camera. Special dresses, last वाला paragraph. First I will read this paragraph, then I will explain to you. First I will read this paragraph, then I will explain to you. Okay, then I will give you a special work also. See, special dresses. Yes, what is written in the book? First I will read for you. On special occasion like wedding and parties, people wear formal dresses. These include silk sarees, suits, sherwanis. The bride and bridegroom also wear special dresses. Some Indian clothes like Banarsi, Kanjivaram sari and the Pashmin salwars, chicken kurta and Rajasthani lehengas are popular all over the country. Okay, I read this paragraph and I will tell you how many things you have to underline. See, you have to underline the silk sari, this word, then sherwani word, and bride and bridegroom, then whatever words are written with the red ink like Banarsi, Kanjivaram sari, Pashmina salwar, chicken kurta and Rajasthani lehenga. Underline these words, make it underline. When you will watch this video, keep pencil with you and make it underline. Read and underline. Okay, so tell me first thing. Yes, tell me first thing. What is a special day of your life? What is the special day of your life? आपकी लाइफ का सबसे स्पेशल दिन कौन सा होता है? When you will feel special, when your family members make you feel very special, वो कौन सा दिन होता है? Which day is that? Which day is that? On which day you feel very good, you feel very happy? Which day? I am asking to you children, which day you feels very happy? You will very excited on that day. You will very happy. Your family members make you happy. Your family members make you feel so special. आपके मम्मी पापा आपको महसूस कराते हैं कि नहीं, आप सब हमारे लिए बहुत स्पेशल हो, बहुत प्रीशियस हो. Which day is that? That is your, yes, you are right. That is your birthday. That is your birthday. Yes, we always feel very good. We always feel very happy on our born day, on our birthdays. Yes, and in your mama's and papa's life, there are two special days. There are two special days in your mama's and your papa's life. First one is birthday, definitely, yes, and the second one is the marriage day. Yes, when your father and the mother got married with each other, that day is the very important day is their lives. उनकी मम्मी पापा के लाइफ में भी बर्थडे के साथ साथ मैरिज डे, मैरिज एनिवर्सरी is very 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 special day for them also. Okay, so when your mama got married, what she wore? She wore nice maroon or red lehenga with lots of accessories, है ना? They got ready. She got ready very nicely. And your papa wore the nice sherwani, nice with achkan and with beautiful colorful headwear. We call that pagdi because that day was the very special day for your mama, because that day she was the bride, है ना? And that day also is very special for your papa. Why? Because that day he was the bridegroom. Bride means dulhan. Bride means dulhan and bridegroom means दूल्हा. Bridegroom means दूल्हा. Okay, जब भी किसी की शादी होती है, so that day is very special day for them. Okay, क्योंकि we are not getting married again and again. हम शादी बार बार नहीं करते हैं. Once in a life we are getting married once in a life. जीवन में शादी सिर्फ एक बार होती है ना? We are getting married once in a life. So our marriage anniversary is very important day, very special day, as like our birthday. Okay, so have you seen any marriage at your home, or have you seen any marriage party? Have you attended any marriage party? Yes, I hope that you all are attended the marriage party in your lives. Okay, आप सब ने अपने relatives के यहाँ, अपने रिश्तेदारों में, अपने पड़ोसियों में बहुत सारी शादीज अटेंड की होंगी. Definitely, I am very much sure about that, है ना? So what you have seen in that party? Everyone is wearing colorful, nice clothes. And women are wearing the nice Banarsi sari, nice Kanjivaram sari. So Banarsi sari, silk sari, and the Kanjivaram sari. These are the names of the sari. It is very famous because this clothes of this clothes of the sari is very precious. And when your mama will wear that sari, she will definitely look more beautiful, the most beautiful of woman of the world, है ना? Banarsi, Kanjivaram, silk, these material of the clothes, it makes us very beautiful. It makes us look very very beautiful. वो हमें बहुत सुंदर बनाता है. And it is very expensive also. Have you gone any marriage party? That time have you seen the many of the women, they are using the best sari in that party. They are wearing the Banarsi sari, the Kanjivaram sari, the silk sari. Why? Because they knows, yes, when we will wear this sari, definitely we all will look very pretty, we all will look very smart, है ना? This is the not very fancy look of the sari. This is a common sari. This is a not very expensive sari, है ना? Because this is a uniform. But when your mama will go in any marriage party, definitely she will wear the best sari of her Almira. She will take out Banarsi sari, Kanjivaram sari, silk sari, and these type of pretty saris. Okay, so these are the names of the special clothes for the woman, है ना. And yes, definitely men's are wearing the चूड़ीदार पैजामा with fancy sherwanis, है ना. So you discuss with your papa, or you will see the album of your mummy papa's marriage. That time what they won, what your mama won that time, what your papa won that time. Okay, because we people have two special days in our life. First one is birthday and second one is the marriage anniversary or marriage date. These two dates are very important, very precious in our life, and we feel very happy, we feel very and our family members makes us happy on these days. Okay, so yes, so this was your chapter number 3. Here we are going to complete the chapter. Here we are finishing the chapter number 3, our dresses. Okay, this chapter is finished now. This chapter is finished now. See, I hope you learnt everything about the outfit, about the dresses, about the different. I hope you learnt all these names for women clothes. Sorry. I hope you will learnt all the names of the man attires, man's outfit. I hope you will learn difference between the traditional dress and the western dresses. I hope you will learn the difference between the traditional dresses and the western dresses. Okay. I hope you will learn the names of the states. I hope you learn the names of the headwears. I hope you learn something about the tribes. है ना. I hope you will remember these 2 special days of your life. I hope you will learn the names of the saris like Banarsi, Kanjivaram, silk and all. I hope you will not forget the salwar kurta, salwar kameez, sari and the lehenga chunli with odni, with dupatta, mandu blouse, with ghagra choli. You will not forget these names, है ना. So this chapter number 3 here we are finishing over here. I hope you understand very well this chapter, because I tried to make you learn something new, something different in this chapter, है ना. So but before completing the lecture, I want to give a small work. Definitely you will feel good when you will do this. You will feel very excited, you will feel very happy when you will do this work. When you will do this work. Okay. So I am giving you this work. This is your homework. Paste the pictures of your birthday party. Paste the picture of your birthday party on one page. On one page and on another page, on next page, next page. Paste the picture. Paste the picture of your parents' wedding. Paste the picture of your parents' wedding. Okay. Paste the picture of your parents' wedding. What is your work? Paste the picture of birthday party on one page. Your birthday party. Paste the picture of your birthday party. आपकी birthday party की picture paste करनी है. Paste the picture of your birthday party on on one page, and on next page paste the picture of your parents wedding. Yes, एक पेज पर आपको सपोज दिस इज योर नोटबुक, सपोज दिस इज योर EVS नोटबुक, है ना, सपोज दिस इज योर EVS नोटबुक। यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, हियर यू विल पेस्ट योर बर्थडे, हियर यू विल पेस्ट फर्स्ट योर मम्मा पापाज वेडिंग एंड वेडिंग फोटो। आपको यहाँ पर एक पेज पर आपके मम्मी पापा की शादी की फ़ोटो लगानी है और दूसरे पेज पर आपके बर्थडे पार्टी की फ़ोटो लगानी है ना। और फिर इसको बहुत नाइसली, बहुत मन से, बहुत प्यार से इसको आपको डेकोरेट करना है। वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, बहुत प्यार से, बहुत मन से, बिकॉज क्योंकि आपकी मम्मी की शादी और आपका बर्थडे का पिक्चर दोनों ही बहुत स्पेशल है आपके लिए भी और आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए भी, और आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए भी दोनों ही चीज़ें बहुत स्पेशल है, उनकी शादी का फ़ोटो और आपके बर्थडे का फ़ोटो। बोथ दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी स्पेशल फॉर योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, फॉर योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो। सो paste both the photos in your EVS notebook and decorate it very nicely, and decorated it very nicely, ठीक है। और उसको आपको बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेट भी करना है, जितना प्यार से, जितना मन से आप उसको सजा सकते हैं, आपको उसको सजाना है, ठीक है। अंडरस्टूड? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड बिकॉज यू ऑल आर वेरी स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 3, है ना। सो paste the picture of your birthday party on one page, and next page paste the picture of your parents marriage, or one page you can use for the first page you can use for the your wedding picture of the parents, and second picture you will use because पहले आपके मम्मी पापा की शादी हुई थी, then आपका बर्थ हुआ था। So first page पे you will paste मम्मा पापा's wedding photo, then second page पे you paste your birthday party's photo and decorate it very nicely. Decorate this word I am repeating again and again, उसको बहुत सुंदर से सजाना है, ठीक है। So it's over from my side. In our next lecture, get ready for EVS notebook because we will write the new words of the chapter. What we will write? We will write the new words of the chapter. So after this video, get ready with your EVS notebook. While watching, you will write the EVS. You will write the new words of EVS in class 3. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day and keep study. Okay, bye bye all. God bless.
खुल गई अब खुल